What's up, guys? So I know it's been a while, but I've been trying to like fix up my setup and whatever, and that was a nightmare. So I did the only other option that I had, and I bought a ring light, and I don't even know if this lighting is gonna be fine, but we'll see when I do the editing and whatever. If you see the video, then I guess it's acceptable, you know? So anyway, fun stuff. Today we're gonna do some graphic liner and just play with a bit of, you know, neon, and then yeah, that's it. I don't want to have a long intro. Let's just do it. That was so nasty.
And we sound like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi.
My heat has been on all day. Also, not naked. This is a boob tube thing. Whatever. But I'm not naked. So let's just put out fires now already. It's not nudity. I'm gonna use the neon pigments. These ones. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like mix it with water and then use it as a liner, because it actually kind of works nice for that, you know, like it's pretty decent. Also guys, like I've decided like this is probably the most opportune time to do my videos. Like it's 6 a.m. I woke up at 5, but I started recording now and it's 6 a.m. in the morning, and with the environment that I live in, it's always loud. Like all my videos, there's always background noises and stuff like that. Like today we might have a quiet video, which is something that has never happened on this channel ever. That's a big deal. I think we're just gonna go with my least favorite color, pink. But I think I was what am I saying? I think I'm gonna do like a gradient type deal. So I'm gonna do a bit of orange and a bit of pink. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so I'm just gonna make a little bit of a line here. So now we're just gonna continue on onto the other one. This is the pink. So now I'm just gonna try and make it blend like here with the two colors I'm meeting, so that it's not just harsh lines. So that's where we're at the moment. So now I'm just gonna do like a normal liner, like, you know, wing liner with my black. Okay, so now we do wing liner. So this is the look at the moment, and what I'm thinking is I'm gonna put like a diamond in the corner, and I don't know, we'll see. I'll also play around maybe with these. Focus, don't be that guy. Okay, all right, so this is where we are at. It's not that bad, but like, yeah, I don't know, it's not that bad. Anyway, so basically everyone's awake now. That's how long I took. I didn't even take that long, did I? Yeah, it took long. It's 9. Anyway, so now let's see, let me think. I have to do my lips. So now I'm just going to I'm just gonna go in with like a dark one, this one here, I think. Yep. Should I? No, I'm gonna go light. Let's go light. Change of plans, we're going with this one right here. So okay guys, so this is the final look and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope for the most part it was quiet because I know at the end it's gonna get rough, like it's gonna be like a whole Chinese action movie in the background. That's what it's gonna sound like. Okay, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for staying till the end. If you did, hopefully the noise wasn't too much, but like aside from that, you know, yeah, so anyway, I hope you enjoyed the look. Also, if you guys have any pictures, if you guys recreate the look, send me pictures so that I can feature it in my next video. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Don't be shy, we don't bite, okay?
I cannot focus if you're looking at me. You see?